My name is Pat O'Connor. I am the broker owner of the Veritas Real Estate Group. We're located in Coral Springs, Florida. And today I want to talk about the Property Assessed Clean Energy Program, or PACE. Purpose is to provide affordable financing for commercial and residential property upgrades that increase energy efficiency, harness renewable energy, conserve water, and protect against storms. So what are some of the projects that are eligible? Energy efficient washers and dryers, storm windows, roof repair and replacement to make them more wind resistant, hurricane shutters, backup generators, solar panels, pool heaters, and even electrical vehicle charging centers. So a lot of anything related to, energy efficiency, water conservation, reusing dirty water, any of those projects are available. However, the availability is not national. For commercial, the programs are in 37 states as well as the District of Columbia. The residential programs are only available in California, Florida, and Missouri. In Broward County, there is a program that applies to all of the cities within Broward, but 4 cities decided to have their own program, and that is Fort Lauderdale, Margate, Miramar, and Pembroke Pines. So if you're in one of those cities and you're interested in the program, just Google Margate PACE program, PACE, and you should come up with the site. So how does this work? The minimum loan amount may be $2,500, but that may depend on the lender. You apply to a PACE provider, which is a fancy name for a lender who will do these programs. And the approval is based on the home equity. So if you just bought your house and put 3% down, you're probably not going to get this. Although there are other energy efficiency home purchase loans that are available to people, but this is not that. So you're going to pick the lender, and then the lender will have a list of approved contractors. So you'll pick one of the contractors based on the project that you intend to do. And it's recommended that you shop around not only for a lender, but also for a contractor, right? Each program, I was looking on this last night, the Broward program may have 8 or 9 approved lenders. And so you might want to talk to all of them to see the interest rates. There will be fixed interest rates, but interest rates may vary. Terms of the loan may vary. Their list of approved contractors may vary. All right? So the contractor's only paid when the job is completed. So you don't have, 50% up front and 50% it's done. They're paid when it's completed. So applicant qualifications, you cannot have defaulted in your property taxes over the past 3 years. You have to be paid in full. They're due annually, at least here in Florida. I assume that's also in the other states. They're due annually. The improvements can't exceed 20% of the just value of the property, except for under limited circumstances. Now, the just value, if you look at your property tax record, the just value is not what a real estate appraisal would say your property is worth. Especially here in Florida, if you are homesteaded, that will keep the just value of the property for, county property tax purposes lower. Okay? So just value does not equal appraisal value. Just value for property taxes is really based on neighborhood values. So just keep that in mind. Look at your tax record, and then you can say, okay, it's 20, can't go over 20% of that amount. All right, so the benefits of these: no upfront cost. You can roll all that in to the loan. It's fixed rate, long-term loan. There may be various terms available: 10, 20, 30 year, maybe 15. The lien is attached to the property, but not the borrower. So it will be paid as a special assessment, as your property tax. It's not a mortgage lien. It won't show up as a debt on the credit report, right? Your property taxes don't show up as a debt on your on your credit report. So this will be like a special assessment. If you don't pay it along with your property tax, then your credit score will take a hit, right? Because then you'll be in default. But one of the cool things is, now here's this lien, and maybe it's a 20-year lien, and you did a whole bunch of energy improvement things, and you're still paying them off, and you decide to sell your house. If the new buyer agrees to assume responsibility for that lien, you don't have to pay it off. If they'll say, yeah, we really like this house, the improvements are great, the interest rate is low, we'll just keep paying it along with our property tax bill. So that's one good thing. If you're looking at trying to renovate your home, you may not have to pay off that whole lien. Like the mortgage payment, it's got to be satisfied. That's got to be paid off from the proceeds of the sale. Not the case with the PACE assessment. There's no prepaid penalty. If you want to pay it off so that your property tax bill is lower, that's fine. You can do that. And because this is paid with your property tax bill, you don't have any payment due until your property tax is due. So unless you're, shelling out money right at property tax time, you could have quite a bit of time to wait before the first payment is due. Okay, so one of the lenders said, low interest rates even with bad credit. So, shop around to the different lenders. Again, each program will have its own approved lenders. And if your credit score is really bad, you might need to go to more than one of them to get approval. Okay, so that's it. It's Property Assess Clean Energy Program. Wherever you are, you can just Google the name of your city and then, PACE Energy Program or something, and you will come up with the information. All right. Thank you. I will see you next Sunday. Bye.